Hello and welcome to another Glass of Bubbly video. My name is Oliver Walkie and in this video I'm going to be tasting an Elderflower Sparkling Wine from Renegade and LongTon. This is Pure Elderflower Sparkling Wine, available on their website. It's very floral, it's floral driven. You get rose petals and a little bit of violet. It's a nice nose. Very floral driven there. It's sort of like a handful of rose petals. You're tasting a handful of rose petals. Now I'm going to show you how to make an apple flower cocktail using Renegade and LongTon's Elderflower Sparkling Wine and Didsbury's Gin. So let's get started. First, you're going to want 10 ml of lime juice. Pour that into your cocktail shaker. Then 75 ml of apple juice into the cocktail shaker as well. Then you're going to want 25 ml of your gin. Wrong one. Pour that in, and now you're ready to shake. Just for about 5 seconds. Just to mix everything together. Pour it into your glass. And then top up with your Elderflower Sparkling Wine. And there you have the apple flower cocktail. Now to taste the apple flower cocktail. It's got a very apple aroma with a hint of elderflower coming through. And also some floral notes. Rather pleasing. Floral, appley, and elderflower. Similar to the aroma, but you're led more. I think you're led more by the gin on this one. You've got a hint of garden herbs as well. It's a lovely, refreshing garden cocktail. Hope you enjoy.